Hi everyone, let's see how you can optimize your SSD in 5 easy steps. To get started, simply search for defragment and optimize drives and open it. Now selecting the C drive, click on optimize. Now click on change settings and set this to weekly basis and save the change. In the second step, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter. You can also copy paste the same from the video description. Now if you see 0 here, then trim is enabled, but if you see 1, then it is not enabled. So to enable it, you have to type in this command and hit enter. And that's it, the trim function will get enabled. In the next step, search for services and open it. From here, find sysmain service. Double click on it, set the startup type to disabled, stop the service if it is running, and save the change. In the fourth step, search for storage settings and open it. Here you'll get an option of storage sense. Simply turn it on. This feature will save a lot of space on your SSD. In the fifth and final step, search for registry editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry path from there. Paste it in the address bar of registry editor and hit enter. Now once here, in the right hand side, you'll get a key, enable prefetcher. Double click on it and change the value data from 3 to 0 and click on OK. Now close everything, restart your computer and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.